Good morning! Welcome to my channel, The Thrills Couple! Hey you guys, so my cousin is here. Cyril is here finally. Their flight last night was delayed for a little bit, just a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. But yeah.
Look at me, hey.
Look at her shirt. So we're gonna head out now to the lake. Look at our whole house.
Lots of stops.
We're gonna bring the whole house, of course. What else I'm gonna do? We're gonna bring the whole house. Ooh, do not forget our watermelon. You have to bring the watermelon. It's very important the next day when we're drinking tequila.
Yes. To keep hydrated.
Keep hydrated.
Oh my.
So we're getting a gas right now for the boat, and after this we are gonna be heading out to the lake. So this is it. This is it, Pancit.
I got a lot of discount.
Nice. Hi, Bayo.
Hi.
Let's check out of them. There they are. Getting a gas.
Do you wanna hear some music?
That's right, sir. Do it right. Do it right.
On the left side, please.
Thank you. Don't take off your mask.
Lick it.
Lick it. Earlier he was a waiter. Now he's a car wash boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up, we're late. Murag amaw. Andale, bebe, let's go. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi to my vlog, Drew.
Hey, everybody.
Babe,
CD's
Drew.
kicking in.
Rochelle. Dance to my vlog.
We're dancing.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. So we're here at the boat, at the lake, I mean. We're already set up, everything's set up. Our campsite is right here. It's very nice. It's like, it's just us here. We're gonna go crazy tonight with a tequila, baby, tequila. It's party. Yep.
I just came in from the south of the border.
Look at him.
And one.
Look at him. Look at him with his tequila.
I get to behave. That's right.
Oh shit. You messed up.
Are the cups in here for mixing?
Yes.
Yeah.
You'll be fine. We'll be in the water.
Yeah, Andrew is our bartender for the day. And there's our boat driver for the day. Nice place, ain't it? Who was the sixth? Oh, honey, we should have brought 2 bottles.
Yeah, we need to go. 2 bottles of what?
Tequila. We're gonna run out. Too hot.
I know. 2 days up here.
Too hot in here.
There's the restroom.
Is that a restroom?
I think it is.
Oh, it's not. Is it? I think so. Thank you.
I don't know if you want to get in there.
No, I don't want to go in there by myself. Perfect.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm. Thanks, man.
Yep. We may need to go to the store and get some beers or something.
Yeah, we're going up.
No more than tequila for Terry. Tequila. Terry is hammered shit.
Tequila. We would go through it. If we go through that shit.
We need a big fan in the back.
Yeah.
Andrew, we're like going there.
Away we go. You're with Gator. Gator don't play no shit.
I had no idea. Ako sa idiot, pagkasama na kanina. We're at the store right now buying beer. Did you find beer?
Yeah.
Oh, you have some leaves in your hair.
Me?
Yeah.
That's okay. It's fine.
Get some of the skin.
Yeah. Yes.
It adds color.
Yeah. That's okay.
Style.
Covers that one gray hair she's got.
What's Jude doing? We got 10 cases?
Oh my
Got some
god,
wine cooler
it's
stuff.
sweet.
But then I got you 3 different wine coolers to check which one you like. You have to drink them all right now.
What? What?
Oh, you're gonna help?
Now?
Yeah.
No,
I gotta get a mango. How about
What's
the
mine? What
Cherry.
else?
Black cherry.
Cherry, what is this?
Pinot Gris.
What the heck is that?
I don't know.
No, I'll take this one. That
Okay.
looks familiar.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Nice.
Everybody's getting shit.
Mango and this one.
Even though it's
We'll
not
just
familiar
carry it
to
up
me.
there. Come on, we're not
Yeah.
gonna walk it.
You should drink it right away. Stop covering your nose. You're outside already.
I got it.
She scared me at first. She says, "You need a mask. You should be in the park."
Yeah.
I
She
said,
goes, no. She goes,
"Is it to be walking?" He says, "No, you can walk if you're together in a group. And if you come across another group, you have to have a mask.
They don't have a mask.
If you have another group that's not with your group, you need a mask."
Great.
So many rules.
Well, and none of them make sense. Because, hey, you know, this is America. And if it's really that serious, you better get on it.
Yeah.
Because we're serious.
Yeah.
We're serious people.
Yeah.
We take that stuff not lightly. We take it head
Oh, there
on.
they are over there. Look.
Is that them beeping?
I think so. Guess they're just beeping.
I don't know. I thought it was Juliet.
I thought they just saw my beauty, you know, and they start beeping like
Yeah.
that. Beep, 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 beep,
Baby!
I think they smelled us.
You're so hot.
I think they smelled us. Get out the road, hon.
Or at least film it.
You have your evidence.
Hola! Hola, mi familia! We've been calling you.
Called so many times.
We've been calling
Where
you
you guys
too.
docked at? We docked down here at this
Right there.
You got a little by the swimming area. You park your boat on the side if you're going in.
Don't show my belly. Woohoo!
Hi guys! Ang bilat! Nakakita na! So what room? What number is this? 120.
I know. Dude, it was so
Huh?
calm earlier.
No, somebody's
Oh,
getting this.
right now?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you could put all of our tents here, man. We'd be
Yep.
like. I want to see that other island though. Was anybody on that
Oh,
other
look over
island?
here.
No, no one's up here.
Wait.
I know. I like it here. You like it here?
Oh, someone's already here.
Somebody's bayot already.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, you got a spider in your t-shirt.
Get it. Get it.
Ngano ka na sila nga? I don't understand why you guys, when it comes to spider, you guys freak out.
Oh, or else I'm gonna get it.
What's up with that? Terry gets.
Yes.
I think she's like to get me.
Hey, we're in fact we got very scared with the snake.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. Beautiful. Sige, sige, magsabot ta. Here we are, we're cursed.
Yeah, we're there.
It's so windy outside.
This is what's happening in my life. This is what's
your life
happening
right now?
right now.
Kapag ikaw ni mo live, may storya na.
This is what's happening. We got stuck here. We're stuck in here.
Oh my god, it's so windy.
Yeah. Holy crap!
Life ka na, kasi
Yes.
tuloy, no?
Oh my god. Can you guys hear that? Okay, that's enough. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, that's enough.
Don't worry about it.
Particle board. Oh no.
Is it partial?
There's particle board. That's our bed.
Not in good condition right now. Here we are. We're stopping right now.
We're doing good. We're fine. We're fine.
We need some tequila right now.
Okay.
Hydrate. Stay hydrated.
We got a motor right here. Oh my god. So, we are safe right
Where's
now.
Joy? Are you okay?
I'm kind of okay. I got fucking first.
This isn't an air tent. Don't need to get outside.
I'm holding here. You guys.
Yeah. That's the only reason I
Oh my god. This is horrible right now.
I think the trees are the last time you see this. Wow, front window. I mean, usually I've seen like hail for a minute. This is like crazy.
But I have sand hail in bed. I have sand hail in bed. Open it, open it.
I'm relaxed.
Oh yeah, he's relaxed. It's fine.
Rocky Mountain.
Yeah, we're live. Yeah, we're up on the side of Patagonia with golf ball sized hail.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that hurt. Holy crap. It hit my knuckle.
Are they fine?
So this is after the rain, the heavy rain.
Girls! Girls! Ala, Rochelle, dire yun sila gakuan, no? Kaya nabili niyang buhok dire.
Oh, gakuan mi dira.
Lasan!
So after the rain.
This is
Boat
what
is so wet.
happened. Wow! Oh, you're vlogging.
Don't turn like that. You gotta turn it sharp.
Hard, it ain't gonna be a big deal, man.
That's boating. You gotta get
You
used
are gonna get used to it now. If you handle that storm, you can handle this.
Hey! Dad, should I grab like this with my foot?
Mura mig piso nga na hopsan ice.
Luy, kay me.
Gutom pa gid
This is what happened, guys.
Gutom pa jud kaayo.
Walay kaon.
Just
Gibagyo.
go on your top, babe.
What?
Whoa, my hand looks. Wait, hold on, let me see
The one,
something.
the tree.
My hand looks so weird during the side. Looks so
Is
weird.
that like a GoPro?
I've been got.
Step on there.
Yeah, it's a GoPro camera, Dad.
Matter
You use
now.
Hi,
it so
Joy.
it doesn't matter if it gets wet or anything. That's cool.
What do you think, Joy?
Hate it.
Okay.
Never want to go to Patagonia again.
Oh wow.
Joy,
We're
come
screwed up.
on, man.
That's okay, Joy. You can stay with Grandma and Grandpa. We're gonna come
I knew
back
this was
here.
gonna happen.
No, you didn't
There was
know.
like dark clouds
No,
over
you're
there.
Being
No.
a killjoy.
It'll be fine.
Yeah, Joy?
Yep.
Okay, we're ready.
Dinner time. We're gonna have dinner. I'm starving. I'm getting grumpy.
Yeah.
Wait, why are we going back in?
You said it didn't have a bed.
We wore that shit out last night.
So this is the cabin that they are renting.
Like the other side.
Let me start from here. So this is the deck, and when you go outside, you can see the lake right here.
All the way in.
And the cabin is set up from here to there. So we're gonna go inside,
Like that. So this is the screen.
and there's a table here where you can eat. There's a light.
Okay, okay.
There you go. And they got a fridge.
Okay. And so
They got a fridge,
stones they got?
and they have a
5,
microwave.
4, 6. Okay.
And
Come on. Let's
yeah, let's go to the bedroom.
do it.
We get a bedroom for kids here, upper and lower deck here,
both get 2 bunk beds.
right here. That's
Voila.
very cool.
Voila.
And the master bedroom is here. Master bedroom.
Yeah, and this
Pretty
is where
cool.
my parents will sleep.
Joy,
You guys
come
will
here.
sleep on the
This
floor.
is pretty cool.
Wait, you should play against
Yeah.
our mom.
Oh, wait, you guys can play against
Already?
Like ka lang kaya para maglungag taglayin.